Oh,
Now we're gonna remain standing on the table on the right. Yeah, you gotta come in. Oh, no, right there. Discuss that.
Case number 1PD-171-006157 in the matter regarding Ari Ram.
good afternoon, Your Deputy Attorney General Maria Williams on behalf of the Department of Human Services. Present to my left, we have Fuad Tupola.
The court notes the appearance of Charlie. Is it Ram or Ram?
Ram.
Ram. And Omri Ram. And Mallory Padilla. Parties are going to be sworn in.
All parties and social worker, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear first that the testimony about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes. Yes. And can you state your full name?
Omri Ram.
Thank you.
Valerie Padilla.
Thank you.
Charlene Ram.
Thank you.
Kofisi Tupo.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Ram. I didn't see your service of your petition on all the interested persons. Did you serve?
Oh, yes.
These are yeah, these are the interested persons. Omri Ram. Over 14 years old. Valerie Padilla. And the Department of Human Services.
Oh, I didn't know, because I didn't know it was him because I had, I didn't know that it was because of the age. But here's my, oh, sorry. Oh, this is the serve order, but I just did it for my Valerie and the CPS because the age I didn't know. I have one if you want. Needs one. I have the copy of if you want to have a copy of the exhibit. The evidence.
Miss Anila, you got a copy of the petition? Yeah, on May 11th. Does that sound right?
The one that she sent.
Yeah.
Yes, I have it. It was sent certified.
Yeah.
It was sent by mail.
Okay, you read it over, you're able to respond to it.
Yes.
Then, Ms. Williams, DHS received notice and it's signed for May 11th, which should be within 14 days of, less than 14 days of today. But you received notice
Yes.
and able to respond to the petition today.
No, Your Honor, that's why we will be asking continuance to allow DHS to conduct the investigation.
Um, so Ms. Brown, um, buddy, could be a friend, but it has to be an adult, not an interested person in this case, has to hand the legal documents to So the legal documents that are required are the motion to terminate the guardianship, okay, and today's the order from today, because the order from today is going to give the next birthday. Okay. And then I believe um, all interested serve like that. Ms. Williams, how long did you want the continuance for?
We have 2 months, Your Honor.
2 months. And regarding the continuance, Ms. Neil, did you have any position regarding postponing today's hearing so DHS can do investigation of the situation?
I'm in, okay with whatever is in best interest for everyone.
So the court will.
I would like to add, because I never got a chance to add anything yet. I have something to add.
Okay, what did you want to add?
I want to add is that CPS, recently had a phone call. I called the police. I had a phone call that he reported something to me over the phone that was not safe, and CPS did not open a case. And then my mother won't let me, no matter what, talk to my son for the past 3 months. Literally, she did not let me see him at all. And so it was because she wanted to hide that she had sexually molested my son. And she wouldn't let me see him for 3 months already. And that's absurd. And she's trying to hide the fact that she had sexually molested my son by not letting me see him for 3 months. And also, I take medicine.
Right there.
I take medicine.
Let me stop you right there. Okay. So the reason why I didn't invite you to make a statement is I'm not going to make a decision today because you need to serve. Wait, let me talk. Because you need to serve all. Okay. We cannot go forward without Omri being served because the law requires a child who is subject to the guardianship to be served if they're 14 or older, which Omri is.
Also,
Yes,
regarding the
exactly.
safety of the child and how long I haven't seen him, I think 2 months in the future or a week or so, 2 months you said in the future is too far ahead for me to see my son. I think because he complained about being sexually molested by his grandmother, then how can extending this timeline be appropriate when it was in question and there was a chance that
The
you didn't
reason
have to
why
extend
is
this?
you need to serve all.
I can serve him then next week or so, and then please can you continue this court matter sooner, because I have already not seen him for 3 months. She's not letting me visit. She's hiding. She's a sexual molester for about 3 months, and she won't let me see him because of that. And it's absurd. That's not healthy for a parent. And he is a he we're sad inside. We're crying that we haven't seen each other, and then being a sexual predator, why is he still allowed to see him? And you said 2 months later, so that cannot be possible regarding his safety and regarding how long he's not seen him, because she's trying to hide that she's a sexual molester, and me not getting a chance to speak. That is offset
Hey,
also.
Ms. Brown, I'm going to stop you there. Like I said, I'm not taking evidence today. I'm not
But
taking.
there was a situation
No.
where you
Ms.
could or couldn't
Ms.
continue
Brown.
it.
You cannot go forward without Omri being served.
I will serve him, but I want the court date to be sooner, like in next week. Oh, how long will it be? Because now he's with a sexual predator, and I haven't seen him for 3 months. And you're saying it can't be because I didn't serve him properly, and so now it has to continue that he's with a sexual predator, and I haven't seen for more than, you're gonna add 2 months is 5 months for a half a year, and now can I get visitation rates? being with a sexual predator for that long
Ms. Ram.
is absurd.
Wait.
And you're not saying I have
Ms.
a
Ram.
choice to say anything. It's also
Ram.
absurd. I'm calling the government president of the United States of America. Why is he allowed to stay with a sexual predator for that long?
Ms. Ram. I'm not addressing you right now. Sorry, I was just reviewing the order granting evaluation. As far as I could see, there's no set visitation in the guardianship order. So it's at the guardian's discretion.
But it is my discretion.
Because you're the guardian.
I'm all for the reunification, but I have to.
No. Yeah, you don't need to address that issue. I just wanted to make sure that there's no schedule in place.
There's no schedule. Everything is at my discretion as guardian.
But that's against the health of me and my son. For having seen him, now it's going to be 5 months. I mean, 8 months. I'm gonna call the president because now that's absurd that she's accused of being sexual predators. Why this started, and now I can't see him for 8 months. I want to require visitations, but having him stay with a sexual predator and then not saying I had say in this is also disregard to me and the improper place of this state's court system is. And I'm gonna have this tape being given to the president of the United States that this is improper.
You know what? The court will do the work. The court will do the work. And so, Ms. Williams, when it's filed electronically, you can get it electronically. I'm gonna do the order right now. So, Ms. Hotmail looks like are you guys on a tight time schedule? You need to get to the next event.
I pick up a grandchild at 5 o'clock.
Okay, so I think I can do the order in 15 minutes. So,
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna order that you wait, and Ms. Ram, you wait for the order. I'm gonna do it now and have it filed. That way you have the order before you leave the building, and then we'll have it uploaded, and then you can just get the electronic copy. Okay.
Oh, yeah. So reiterate. Yeah, there was no order that she gets a visitation, but
I'm not addressing that.
Oh, okay.
I'm not addressing that. I'm not taking your position.
Okay.
You know, it's a guardianship that that occurred from an FCS case. The
I voluntarily gave a guardianship.
so the
It wasn't
order
to my
granting
person.
the guardianship requires DHS to be served. They were just served 6 days ago. They need sufficient time to do a full and fair investigation into whether or not a full and fair
I want to say that CPS is not trustworthy. CPS is not trustworthy because I had opened a case about his safety being child molested and they did not open the case for me. Then they're saying I have to be investigated when I voluntarily gave up my guardianship. So I have nothing improper about me regarding how they have to investigate me further. She needs to be investigated. They didn't open a case against her regarding child molestation.
The court is, there being nothing further, the court concludes today's hearing. Follow the direction of the bailiff as you exit the house.
I'm going to tell the president.
Just have a seat outside. I'll get you the paperwork when it's done.